Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is for the outdoor use only, the propane countertop deep fryers. And let's take the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like 37.5 inches long and about like 18.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about 12 and 3 4 inches. As you can see, this unit, we have 3 containers. For each container is about like 3.5 gallons. So total will be 10.5 gallons. And also the manufacturer give you the regulators on the side. The connection is right here. The other side for you to hook up on with the propane tanks. They do have a starter switcher right here. You squeeze it. You hear the sounds and turn it on. They have a levels to control. You can see the fire things here. You can see how strong the fire through these holes. And also they come in with 3 seasoning side, the containers right here. And this one you can just stuck on the handlebars. And let's take a look at the inner side for the units, the cooking space. This is the inner side of the cooking space. For this tray, they are removable. You will see the regulators at the bottom, the burner at the bottoms, and they also have a small hinge on the side. You can mount this basket on top of it, where you don't need to fry the food, and also have the exhaust on the back. So let's see the measurement for these baskets. For the oil pan, entire length, they are about like 12 inches long. And the 9.5 inches wide. Total space, they are about like 6 inches deep. And for the basket, these handlebars, they can flip over when you're trying to storage them in the small space. And for this one, they will be about like 8 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. For all these 3 pans, they are the same sizes. That's all information about these products for the burning space and the cooking space. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all information about these products. And if you do have more detailed questions, please contact with us.